Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today we're going to talk about why it is important to know how to set up and solve equations and inequalities. And it's important for the simple fact that equations and inequalities will be given in word problems sometimes, and you've got to be able to decipher how to turn that word problem into an equation that you can solve and get an answer for. So, for example, you might have a problem that tells you that you're out to dinner and your dinner bill costs $40. And that you want to leave a 20% tip, and you might be asked for the total cost of that bill. You have to be able to set up an equation to solve all this. So what you have to understand is that your total bill is going to be the bill, well, we'll say the food portion of the bill, the food bill, plus your tip, and we're not talking about tax right now. So we're going to set this up by saying T, which is going to stand for total, is equal to your bill plus, now, if your tip is 20%, what I have to comprehend is that 20% is being taken of the bill and added onto the tip. So I'm doing 0.20 times the bill. And now I can substitute values that I know. But getting this set up is even more important than knowing how to solve it, because if you can't set it up, you can't solve it anyhow. So you have to be able to extract information and know that your total is equal to your bill plus 20% of the bill, because you're leaving an additional 20% tip. And actually, before I could substitute, I can just do this to simplify it a little more. That's 1b plus 0.2b, so that's really 1.2b. And now I'm going to substitute in for b because I know how much my bill was. So I have 1.2 times my $40 bill. And then I just go ahead and multiply this. So I have 1.2 times 40, 0, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 1 is 4. Remember that when you multiply decimals, you count how many decimals you used, and you go back that many. So I used just one decimal. Why is that? Yeah, okay. So I get $48, which means that my total was $48. So the point is that it's important to be able to extract information and set up an equation, because unless you do, then you can't solve and get your actual answer. My name is Maria, and I just talked to you about why it's important to be able to set up an equation and solve it.